Okay, YouTube, this is the second rounders that are all either Sheffields or Sheffield Cross Pilot. Not sure if I took them a day or two early. I think they'll be alright. Just about to throw that up underneath the wing. They haven't just flown up, they ain't jumped up there, I'll put them up there for you to see them. Two little pencils. Oh, this one's got a white flight, I saw it, yeah, in the tail. I think they'll be alright. Done another front. This is the first rounders of Sheffields and Pilot Cross Sheffields and the blacks. 3 of them reds are pure Sheffield. I just dropped them down. They've done 5, 6, 8 hours today. A strong wind. Up at 9 this morning, I dropped them at 5. Right, just a short one. See you later.